Hello Rust developers and welcome to another Gazebo in 5 minutes video provided by Deconstruct, a channel about Rust. I am Marco Arruda and today we are gonna see how to use an image file as textures for Gazebo models. But before anything else, remember to visit the Robotics Academy, our online academy where you'll find practical online Rust courses using simulated robots. No installation is required and you'll find a link to the academy on the video description. So now let's start with the 6th video of the series. I'm gonna open this project that I have prepared previously, and this time we are going to use a different model that I have here. It's a sofa model, and we have a blue sofa. Okay, we are using a mesh file as we have learned in the previous video, and I've set this material here, Gazebo blue. So let's start the simulation and we may see the blue sofa on the world. The difference here is basically that we don't have my first model, but we have LC sofa, and in the world file we are including LC sofa. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. Let's start the simulation, and there it is, we have a blue sofa. Okay, so first thing that we need to have a material file. We have to create some new folders here inside the model folder. We have already one called meshes. We have to create another one called, let me check, materials. So new folder, materials, which is going to contain two other folders, one for textures and another one for the scripts that are going to describe how to use those textures. Okay, so inside the scripts folder we have to create a new one. Just a single script is enough, and I'm gonna call it sofa material. And the content of this file I'm gonna copy and paste and explain what we're doing. So first thing, I'm defining the name of the material. Sofa material / diffuse is the same as this one, Gazebo / blue, for example, but in this case is a custom material that we're creating right now. We have some properties here, for example, receive shadows, and it's turned off. You can explore deeper those properties later. Okay, and then we have to set the technique, and we're passing a texture unit which comes from this image here, sofa1.png. Which means that we have to create this file, sofa1.png, and I have this file in my local computer. I'm gonna upload it using the IDE. You just have to drag and drop the image, and there it is. You can visualize PNG images. It doesn't make sense if you see the image, but it's gonna make sense when we launch the simulation using it. Okay. So now we have to change the SDF file, because now we have already the materials properly configured, the scripts and texture files. Okay, and now for the SDF file we have to change the material property. Let me copy and paste. Basically what we need is to set scripts and textures folders. Okay, you don't have to set the file, just the folder. And then the name of the material you want to use, the one you have described in this file here. Okay, so of course we have to remove the previous material you used, save the file, and let's restart the simulation to see the modifications. Let's take another look at the file. So we have basically brown and gray and black colors and some green color here. I believe it's for the foot of the sofa. Let's start the simulation, and there it is. Those are the colors we're using, and for the foot of the sofa we have a green color. Okay, so this is how you can use an image for the material. Of course, this image was generated by Blender in this case. Okay, so it's not trivial to create such kind of image by yourself. But let's do a different experiment. I'm gonna upload another image here, which is just a very simple image, so you can see that you can use any kind of image to use as texture. For example, this one is very simple, like a chess board image, okay? And let's change to use this one. So you have only to change the material file. I'm going to just erase the number 1 here and relaunch the simulation. Let's hide the logs. Start the simulation, and there it is. You have sofa using a different material. Okay, so that's all for today. Did you like the video? If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell for a new video every day. Either like it or not, please share your thoughts and questions in the comments area. See you!